Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. This is the 2026 GMC Acadia, but this video will apply to the 2025 model. I'm going to show you how to manage your power tailgate. Now, if you see what's going on right here, I'm not touching anything, I'm not doing anything. I'm using the hands-free feature or function to open the power tailgate. But what do you do if that doesn't work? To manage everything to do with that power tailgate back there, we're going to come right here to the 15-inch center screen. We're going to go to settings, and then we're going to go to vehicle. Would help to select that, wouldn't it? And then we're going to come down here to comfort and convenience. Now, what you're going to find here is hands-free exterior storage access. Make sure that is set to open only and not set to off. And it will give you some instructions over here if you need to see what's going on and know how all of that is working. And if you need to change the height as far as opening the power tailgate, here's how you're going to do that. You can go to maximum, you can go to custom, or you can go to off. Now, what does it mean if it's set to custom? And by the way, you can open the tailgate with that button right there that's located just above the license plate bracket. And to change the height to a custom height, as we set on the screen, we just come right here and change it to wherever we want it to be. And we hold down this button and listen for the beeps. And there we go. Now, when I open that back up, it's going to open up to the height that I just set it to. And we're going to do that with the button on the remote. There are several different ways to do this. And as you'll see, it's not going to open all the way. So if you have a lower ceiling or something along those lines where you need to have it open to a lower opening point, just like what we have right here, there is how you're going to do that. And to reset it, it's just as easy. All we're going to do is just shove it back up there into the maximum opening position. You can do that, or you can reset that via the center screen. And you might wonder, is there a way to open that power tailgate from the driver's seat? Yes, there sure is. In fact, it's located right down there. There is the button that you use to do that. So simple. I probably didn't need to tell you about that. You could have found that. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. Tell me down in the comments if there is another tutorial on the Acadia or something else, whether it's GMC or another model, another make, whatever the case is, that you want to see. Thanks for taking the time to watch. As always, I appreciate all of you. Have a great day.